Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a pinch pot out of clay. I have some examples here of pinch pots, different sizes. I like this cute little one. I want to make a little tiny tea set when I see that one. So all you need is a ball of clay. It's about the size of the palm of my hand. That's easy to handle, that size. So if you have little hands, it might have to be a little bit smaller than a mandarin. So you can see I've got a nice chunk. I want to make that round. So if I roll that round in my hands, roll it round and round until it's a great shape, a nice round shape. I'm happy with that shape. That looks nice, doesn't it? Feels good. So it's as simple as I put it in the palm of my hand, and with my thumb, I gently push it into the middle of the ball. And then I'm pinching, so I'm pinching and pushing in with my thumb, pinching with my fingers, and I turn around and keep turning it around. So the aim is I don't push my fingers all the way through. So I'm trying to gauge about a centimetre gap, maybe less, or thickness. Now, sometimes the clay cracks a little bit. Oh, it'd be very tempting to put some water there, but I don't suggest it. That won't help. We don't want to make it all slippery, and it will not help the clay hold together. What you need for that is slurry, and that's the next thing I'm going to teach you how to make. So we use slurry to attach handles and to do joins. So I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out. So I've just changed the angle so you can see inside. So I started by pinching at the very base, and I got that to the thickness that I like. Then I came to the side walls, and now I'm moving to the lip. Turn, turn, turn. Now it's quirky and it's got my fingerprints in it, and that's what makes it special. Yeah, we don't want all our artwork to look the same, and we certainly are not looking for perfection. We're looking for quirky and fun. Any little cracks, I can smooth them over with my fingers. There you go. I have a pinch pot. I'm very happy with that. I hope you have fun making your own pinch pot. I just need to let that dry now. It might take a few days. I'll set that aside on some paper towel, and then it will dry like this, nice and hard, and then you can paint it. Thanks for watching. Come and see me in my next tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make slurry so you can join things together with the clay.